RTSP allows you to stream the camera window to any other device on the network that can run a player that can accept network streams, such as VLC Player. To set up RTSP, click the Xiris logo and go to Application Settings. From here, go to the RTSP settings. Make sure Enabled is checked off under Setup. Next, you will need to select a binding address under Server Settings. After this, click Restart to make sure it has taken effect. Under the name of the camera, you will want to check off Enabled. Before you enable it, you can adjust settings for the stream, such as frame rate, scale, and bit rate. You can also enable audio if you have a Weld mic present to stream audio. Once you enable it, then you will get a streaming link. Copy this link. On another device on the network, open VLC or any other RTSP-capable player. For VLC, go to Media and open Network Stream. Type in the link from the computer running RTSP and click Play. The camera window from the host device will now play.